Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we will guide you on how to turn off a professional account on Instagram on iPhone. Here's how you can do it. Open the Instagram app on your iOS device. On your Instagram app homepage, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner. By tapping the 3 horizontal lines, you will go to the Settings and Activity page. On the Settings and Activity page, scroll down and tap on the Creator Tools and Controls option. By tapping this option, you will be forwarded to a page with several options. On this Creator page, you will find the Switch Account Type online at the last of the options. Tap on the Switch Account Type option. Select the Switch to Personal Account option. Confirm your choice by tapping Switch to Personal Account again on the confirmation prompt. And there you have it. By using this method, you can turn off a professional account on Instagram on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.